Alright, the second problem that we're going to do is we have three numbers and we need to find the HCF and LCM by prime factorization. Okay, so what do I do with each? And let's take a look. So first, we got to find all the prime factor for each of the numbers. Okay, so let's start with the 54. Now you can pause the video and try to do it on your own. So please pause now. Alright, and then you can check each one by one. So I'm going to start with 54. So 54, let's do short division. I start with a 2. That would be 27. And then I go with a 3. That would be a 9. And then a 3 and a 3. Okay? Alright, so 54. Let's go to my second one, which is 72. 72. Start with a 2. Would be 36. And then I use a 2 again. 18. 2 again. 9. 3 and 3. Okay? How about the 90? Change my color. The 90 would be 90. 2. 45. 5. 9. 3 and 3. Okay? Alright, so I got all my primes set up. So let's write them out. Now remember, try to line up each factor according to the number. Okay? So for example, let's do the 54 first. Ooh, that looks kind of ugly. Try again. 54 is equal to 2 times 3 to the third power. Okay? Alright, second one. 72 equals to 2 to the third power times 3 to the second power. Okay? And then lastly, my 90 is equal to 90 2 times 3 to the second power times 5. Okay? Alright, so my HCF first. Let's go for HCF first. My HCF, back to what we talked about last time, is equal to the greatest power of common factor. Okay? Oh, sorry. The smallest power of common factor. The smallest power. Let's look for the common factor first. 2, all three of them have in common, so we write it down. Okay? 3, we write it down. Okay? So now, we need to look for the smallest power of the common factor. So, I have 1, 3, 1. So in this case, I'm just going to use a 1, a power of 1, which I don't write anything. How about the 3? I'm looking for the smaller power. I got a 3, I got a 2, I got a 2. So you will use a 2. Okay? Now, we are done if the question's asking for listed as product of the prime. Okay? So otherwise, it will say listed as exact number. Okay? If it says exact number, then we will have to do some calculation. In this case, 2 times 9 would be 18. Okay? Alright, now let's do the LCM. What number can I choose? How about the blue? I'm done. Okay, matching my shirt. See if we can see this. L, ooh, that's kind of hard to see. Let's just use a black again then. Let's use black again. Okay, LCM. LCM, remember back to the definition, look in your book. It is the greatest power of each prime factor, okay? Greatest power of each one. So 2 times 3 times also a 5, okay? Now, the greatest power, let's go back and compare the power. The power would be 3 for the 2. Okay? For the factor of 3, I need the greatest power, in this case would be this one. So also 3. And then the 5 is just a 5. Okay? There's no extra power. So that would be the end. If it asks for product of the prime. Okay? If it asks for exact number, then you have to multiply, which equals to 2 to the third power, which is 8. 3 to the third power is 27 times 5. It's actually, check your calculator, 1080. Okay? So if I make a mistake, please feel free to let me know. Okay? If there's anything you don't understand, please ask your teachers tomorrow. Okay? Alright. Hopefully you get a better understanding of prime factorization and how to find the HCF and LCM. Alright, I'll see you next time.